Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 16. We just got home from daycare. It was ugly sweater day. We're having a little bit of snack. Ooh, the Christmas tree looks so good in the background. Yeah, baby. You wanna see? Show your bow. Yeah, and who else is here with us? Kevin's up there. Yeah, Lukey. Of course, Lukey. And Kevin's up at the light. So what are we gonna do right now? You don't know? I think we are going to decorate our gingerbread house. This one we got from Walmart, this pre-made one. And then I'm also kind of thinking tonight that I might finally attempt to make my candle after they go to bed. Maybe. I'll try. And then tomorrow, sorry, someone wanted to be picked up. I think tomorrow we are going to be doing it's like a Christmas, it's like a Christmas wagon ride with Grandma and Papa, right? And I think we'll be doing that tomorrow. So that'll be fun. But right now we're going to finish our snack and then we're going to do our gingerbread house. Alright, so I did some icing along the roof for you and then you can go ahead and stick your candies on, okay? I'll keep putting the icing on. Okay, how's it looking? I'll pick it up for you. Show me what you've done so far. Wow, it looks so good. Oh, I'm eating the icing. Let me see what you did. Wow. What a big helper.
Let me see it.
Did you just eat a piece of candy, Luke? Oh my gosh. Colin, show me what you're working on. Luke. Lukey, show Mama.
Daddy, look at messing it up.
He's messing it up? It's alright, he's trying to help.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah?
I think Mommy's side came out real good. Look at my holly and wreath. And movie night. Colin, say movie night.
Movie night.
What are we watching? Oh, you're crazy. No. Arthur Christmas. So after the kids went to bed, I decided to finally make my candle, which I've been wanting to do for so long. I'm just doing a voiceover here because we did have Christmas movies playing in the background. A lot of my supplies I got from California Candle Supply and Flaming Candle Company, I believe it's called. I watch a lot of Memory Box Candle Co. here on YouTube. She makes videos on how to make candles. She, sells her own. So that's really where I got a lot of my information from. But of course, I kind of just I don't know. I didn't do a lot of exact math or anything like that. This is just kind of something for me. But I got some fragrance oils from Walmart, also those shops that I mentioned. And I would try to do one that was inspired by this candle I already have called Santa's Pipe. That's pine scented, but also tobacco, vanilla, very a warm, cozy scent. And then I decided to, which you'll see here in a second, I did add in some shimmer powder. So I think that came out really pretty. So when the candle melts, you see that shimmer moving through the melted wax. And so mixed that all up here and poured it, and then I let it set overnight, and then I'll show you what it actually looks like in the next vlog. But then actually for the jar, this was just an old Glade candle that I had just a tiny bit left in, and I just boiled water, poured it in there, let it set, and then it was really easy to take the wax out and then recycle this little jar. Alright, so I'm about to get ready for bed. It's much later now. I'm sorry that this vlog was just kind of all over the place. So you saw us do our gingerbread house, had a little movie night. Since tonight's Friday night, we want to get kind of in the habit or tradition of doing that. And then I finally got to make my candle, so I just did a little voiceover for that as I was making that. We had some Christmas movies on in the background, but I'm excited to show you. I think in tomorrow's vlog, when I film, I will show you the finished result of the candle. It's still drying right now. It's almost completely dried. To be honest with you, I don't really know what I'm doing with that, honestly, but it was fun to make it. That's kind of my goal for 2024, I guess, is to kind of learn more about candle making. I just love having some type of craft or hobby to do, something creative, and I just love candles, so it'd be great if I could learn how to make my own. So if you do know of any like channels on here that teach how to make candles or give information on that, please let me know. I would love to check them out. That's gonna be it for this video today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.